cool off, anytime I change gear, like all that rubbish, bro. I'm trying to hear that, you get me, bro? Yo lads, yo, it's rerun time. I'm joking. What's up guys, it's Shamsi here with another video, and I is basically going to be talking about future plans for the channel and whatnot. As you know, it's 2019. Just gonna let you guys know like what's it gonna entail. Overall, where should we start off? Okay, let's talk about plans for this car. As you guys know, I drive a 1.2 Clio 5-door. Obviously, there's only so much you can do to a naturally aspirated engine in it. So that's why me myself, I'm more leaning towards, you know, show car, like make it look nice but not right. So yeah, bing. I don't know why I said that, but yeah, that's the route that I want to take with this car. I'm not gonna, ultimately I want to put like air suspension in this car. Like that's just like ultimately like stance it, bro, like cool. But yeah, for future plans for me, like obviously after I get done whatever, obviously I'm not sure if you, well, to many of my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. Fucking hell, mate. Fucking hell, it broke, bruh. Every fucking time this mount, oh, it's so annoying, bro. Back to what I was saying is, the route that I want to take is the show car route. As you know, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for all my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. Please share with your friends. I'm at least trying to hit, I don't know, possibly 1K by the end of the year, or even more. You know, we're trying to get there. We're trying to grow up, trying to grow. Obviously, shout out to Carlos on it. Yeah, he's been helping me out, giving me advice. He's just been a good friend. A good friend overall, you get me? So I just want to say thank you to him for that. So he does a lot of BMW content. I think he's pretty sick. Like, he's on the rise. Like, he recently hit 800 subs in it, and I'm pretty proud. But yeah, overall for me, what I would do, wow, there's a Type R right there. Yes, I do like Hondas because they are fucking, oh, there's another Golf. Oh, Golf R. Aye, DSG farts. Yeah, so yeah, what can I say? This is gonna be a lot of editing for me, bro. Oh my god, I am stuttering, not paying attention. I'm not paying attention to the road and everything. Aye, it's crazy. But yeah, so with the car, I'm gonna do a show car or stance car, whatever you want to call it. I really wanted to do a 182 replica with a 5-door, because I haven't really seen a 5-door out there, to be honest. A replica 5-door replica. But yeah, people are gonna be like, oh, why are you gonna get a replica for? You're just gonna the hell? Why are you gonna get a replica? You're just gonna get smoked when you get up to a next one and all that rubbish. I'm gonna be like, bro, chill. But yeah, so that's what I wanted to do. I'm still gonna do it because the 182s look pretty good, to be honest. They look pretty good. Speaking of 182s, look at that. Alright, look to the right there. Can you see that? Can you see that little blue one right there? It's right there. It's right there where my finger is. Right there. Oh my gosh. absolutely love Clios, bro. All my new people. I do have 6 points on my license. I did lose my license, and I will do a video on that. So driving a Clio because it's cheap as hell right now. Because before I used to drive Audi A6 Audi A3 1.6 5-door sportback, and yeah, I used to pay like $370 a month, but now with this Clio I'm paying $420. No black box anything, but with the Audi I had a black box. That got me into the trouble of me losing my license in the first place. Smart wheels, you're up, yeah. But yeah, shout out to Go Skippy. Go Skippy came through in clutch, gave me this amazing deal. Thank you. But yeah, overall, mate, I'm looking sweet, bro. I'm looking sweet. Alright, I'm gonna leave that one in there. So yeah, overall, my next possible car that I've been looking at is the Mark 5 GTI. Just any GTI, to be honest. Actually, I just want a car with a turbo, bruv. Like, I'm sick and tired of a lot of cars, mate. And they're all naturally aspirated. That's irritating. I want a turbo. I want to hear the chatter back in it. I want to hear the blow off valve. Anytime I change gear, like, all that rubbish, bro. I'm trying to hear that. You get me, bro? There's this YouTuber called BWTV. He doesn't know me, but I know him. Like, even on Twitter, like, I'll tweet him and then he'll just like my shit, but he won't really acknowledge that I'm alive or I do YouTube or whatever. So, you know, that's how it is, innit? But yeah, overall, been looking at GTI. You know, as turbo is pretty quick. They make pretty solid power, around like 250. They can make even more if you go ham. And if I was to get a GTI, I would go ham, because like, I want to be known as the guy that has just the fastest GTI in the UK. Because once you have the fastest one thing, everybody's gonna know you, then you're gonna grow and everything. That's the route I'm trying to take, innit? Fun fact, I will be remapping this 1.2 Clio just for banter, to review and see how it is, because people are gonna say like, oh, you're just gonna get 3 bhp. Why are you doing that, bro? That's such a waste of money. Yeah, I don't care. I want it to be more snappier, more throttle response. It's a go-kart already, basically. Strip it out, it's gonna be hella light, so 1.2 is gonna be plenty enough power in it. Yeah, GTIs, I like VWs are partnered with Audi. They have the same engines as Skoda or whatnot. See, yeah, you know, I would say VW is one of the most easy tunable, not tunable, but it's like the closest thing to Honda out there, you know, because like Honda, you can literally just you break it down, strip it yourself, you can do a madness with a Honda, especially when you've got VTEC and whatnot. And thanks, mate. And you know, yeah,